Fair enough, understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase you've probably heard often, fair enough. This phrase is common in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. Fair enough is a phrase used to express agreement or acknowledgement of someone's point of view or statement, even if you do not completely agree with it. It's like saying, "I understand your perspective," or "that seems reasonable." This phrase is often used in conversations where a compromise is being made or when someone accepts a situation as it is. To help you understand how fair enough is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In agreement. 2. A. I think we should leave early to avoid traffic. 3. B. Fair enough, let's do that. 4. Acknowledging a point. 5. A. I can't join the meeting at 3 p.m. I have a doctor's appointment. 6. B. Fair enough, we can reschedule. In these scenarios, fair enough shows a level of understanding or acceptance without necessarily showing complete agreement or approval. It's useful to know some variations and similar phrases. That makes sense. I see your point. I guess that's reasonable. These phrases can be used interchangeably with fair enough in many contexts, offering you a variety of ways to express your understanding or agreement. It's important to understand the appropriate contexts for using fair enough. This phrase is suitable for both formal and informal settings. However, remember that it often implies a slight reservation about the agreement. It's perfect for situations where you're partly in agreement or when acknowledging someone's opinion or decision without fully committing to it. And that's a wrap on fair enough. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, phrases like this can add subtlety and depth to your communication, making you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning!